Very good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. We'll start.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, today we'll start with the blood. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
That is remaining that physiology and I will take one more class. First, we'll finish this part, anatomy part. See, all of you know blood, no? Very well. Huh? Yes or no?
Yes,
All
ma'am.
of you.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you
Yes,
seen
ma'am.
blood. All of you seen
Yes.
blood.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
How the blood will be?
Yes,
Some
ma'am.
disturbance is coming. Can you mute now? Okay. So blood, all of you seen. All of you know what is the blood color, blood how it will be. But we have to know how the blood, what are the components is consisting of blood. We have to see. See, the blood is a circulating fluid including plasma and different cells such as red blood cells, white blood cells and platelets in the vascular system of humans and other vertebrates. Okay. So, in our body, the blood containing circulating fluid. Circulating means blood only is going, no. All over the body is distributing blood circulation only. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
In that blood,
Ma'am.
mainly plasma and also different cells. I told red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets is present. Okay, so we have to know the what are the functions of blood. Okay, so what is the functions of blood? First, supplies essential nutrients in cells such as glucose, fatty acids, amino acids. Okay, so through the blood circulation only all we are getting. Okay, distribution is taking place through blood circulation. So blood only the one, it will be giving the transferring the glucose, fatty acids, amino acids, what is essential for our body through the circulatory system we are getting. Okay, and also blood will do the what the function mainly blood will do, mainly transport of oxygen, okay, and carbon dioxide. So blood will give the oxygen supply. Oxygen will be supplying to the body and carbon dioxide also. The body, this blood only is going to purification is taking place in the lungs. So this main function of the blood and also hormones in the body. Hormones also will be blood only is the main function and protect from pathogenic blood loss and diseases. So if any injuries happen to our body skin, the blood will come first outside. In the blood, clotting factors will be there. So immediately after cutting of hand, anything, immediately blood will be clot. Okay, blood that much it will not come because of blood containing the clotting factors. Suddenly it will be stopped and it will be closed and protect from pathogenesis. You see, if any cut is happening after coming little amount of blood, automatically the blood will be stop because of I told clotting factors will be there. That it will be closed and it will be not allowing the pathogenesis to enters into the body. If big injuries happen only, that it will open wound, that time only the infections will be going to pass through the blood circulation. So normally it will be going to protect and regulates the body temperature. So blood is the regulate the body temperature. If you see, the body always travel, the blood will be going and the oxygenated blood is supplying. One side is a carbon dioxide blood is going to take the purification in the lungs. It is taking place. This is about the functions of blood. So we have to know the, who is that mute now? We have to know the physical characteristics. We have to know what are the physical characteristics. The blood is more viscous, thick than water. Okay. If you anybody touch the blood in your lifetime,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
all of you touched the blood, no, with your hand.
Yes,
Yes, no.
Yes, ma'am.
So the blood is somewhat viscous, thick in nature. If you see water, it is a liquid like it is going. There is no viscosity in that. But blood, you see how that viscosity will be there. You see, no, all will be experienced with that. Yes or no? And also 100.4 degree Fahrenheit temperature, the body is maintaining and 8% of total body weight. Average blood volume in males, 5 to 6 liters. Yesterday we were discussing about the blood. Somebody told 7 liters, 8 liters, no? Normally blood in our body is 5 to 6 liters of blood is there, and for females 4 to 5 liters of blood will be there. Okay. So circulation of blood, how the circulation of blood is taking place. Circulation of blood is taking place as we have already discussed in last class. Yes or no? So the blood will be
Yes, ma'am.
coming from superior vena cava, inferior vena cava. It enters into the right atrium to right ventricle. So right ventricle to pulmonary artery. See, now you can able to see pulmonary arteries here. Now you can able to see. Here you can see this. The blood enters and it will be going to right ventricle and it is going to the pulmonary, right pulmonary artery, left pulmonary artery. It will enter into the lungs. Okay. Their purification is taking place in the lungs and oxygenated blood is enters into the, see, heart. Pulmonary veins is carrying and blood enters into the left ventricle, not left atrium to left ventricle, and aorta it is distributing to whole body. Yes, no? You clear with this circulation, no? All of you?
Ma'am, I doubt, ma'am.
Tell.
Ma'am, which
Hello?
side of the heart oxygenated or pure blood, ma'am?
Pure blood, which side is the oxygenated blood is
Oxygenated
carrying?
blood.
Oxygenated
Yes, ma'am.
blood. See, here left side only the oxygenated blood is coming. Okay, red color is the oxygenated blood. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
right side vein, like right side atrium and all receiving the what? Deoxygenated blood. And after once from right ventricle to pulmonary arteries it enters, up to that giving there, it is a deoxygenated blood. Once lungs receives that deoxygenated blood and purification is taking place in the lungs, see here the lungs is there. Then we are getting the, through the pulmonary veins, we are getting the purified blood and enters into the ventricle, left ventricle, and it is going to the aorta. So from the aorta, the blood will be circulating to all over the body system. That is the circulation of blood. Blood purification is taking place in the heart. Okay. So we have to know about the components of blood. What blood is to get. What are the components is there in our blood? You see these components of blood. Blood is made up of two main components. Blood cells, plasma cells. Okay. In our body, blood cells is 45%, plasma is 55%. So plasma, you can see the plasma. If you take a blood in your test tube, you can able to see after, if you're filling 3/4 of the blood, if you keep it in the test tube, you can able to find that plasma will come upside and red blood cells will be going to downside. So that only red blood cells, it is going to be downside. We will call it as a blood cells. Red blood cells, white blood cells and platelets. So that white blood cells and all, it is going to be middle of this here. You see, just here. Okay. So this and all, that yellowish in color, slight yellowish. This and all is a plasma contents. This and all, it is going to be a blood cells. Okay. So that white blood cells in the here topmost layer of the red blood cells, it will be coming. So the blood cells, 45% I have said. So what are the blood cells? We have to know. So in our bodies, blood cells containing red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets. Okay, these three types of blood cells are there. Red blood cells, we will call it as a erythrocytes. White blood cells, we will call it as a leukocytes. Platelets, we will call it as a thrombocytes. Okay. Red blood cells, we will call it as a erythrocytes. All of you remember. White blood cells, we will call it as a leukocytes, and platelets we are going to call as a thrombocytes. Okay. So that is about the blood cells. Blood cells, it is of three types: red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets. And terminologically, we will call it as red blood cells, we will call it as a erythrocytes. Okay. Suddenly they will ask, write about erythrocytes. You have to write about the red blood cells, and they will ask, write about white blood cells, leukocytes. Okay. Platelets, thrombocytes. So we will see about red blood cells first. Red blood cells, also we'll call it as a erythrocytes, you know. It is a biconcave shape. The red blood cells is in a biconcave shape. Elastic cell membrane will be there, no nucleus. And 95% of the red blood cells consisting of hemoglobin. We will call it as a red pigmentin. Remaining 5% consisting of enzymes, salts and other proteins. You understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Red blood cells, if you want to know erythrocytes, it is a biconcave shape. There is no nucleus. Elastic cell membrane will be there. Hemoglobin, we will call it as a red pigmentin is present. Remaining 5% consisting of enzymes, salts and other proteins. Okay. Next one. This red blood cells is formed in red bone marrow. Okay. In the bone marrows, it is going to produce these red blood cells. Okay. Average lifespan of red blood cells is 4 months. 4 months means 120 days. The red blood lifespan is 120 days. So after 120 days, new red blood cells, it is developing in the body. Okay. So every 4 months, the red blood cells is going to be produced newly. About 2 to 10 million red blood cells are formed and destroyed in every second. The main function of RBC is to transport oxygen and carbon dioxide. Already we have discussed about that. Males 5 to 5.5 liters will be there blood, and females will be 4 to 4.5 million RBCs per cubic millimeter will be there. So this is about the red blood cells. You have to write what is the red blood cells. Red blood cells is a, we will call it as erythrocytes, and it has a biconcave in shape. There is no nucleus. 95% it is containing of the red pigmentin. We will call it as a hemoglobin. It is elastic cell membrane, and 5% will be a enzyme salts and other proteins. It is formed in the bone marrow, and it will be average lifespan is 120 days, and it will be destroying and again forming the red blood cells, and main function is it will be the oxygen and carbon dioxide, and it will be red blood cells 5 to 5 million per RBCs per millimeter per cube it will be there. So that is about the red blood cells. Now we have to see the white blood cells. So white blood cells, I have said for you, we'll call it as a leukocytes. They are, yes, leukocytes. They are colorless. So that's why that is in white in color. Okay. RBCs, I told hemoglobin is present. Red pigmentin is present in the blood. So in these white bloods, it is a colorless, much larger than red blood cells. These white blood cells are bigger than red blood cells. Okay. 1 cubic millimeter of blood containing 7,000 to 8,000 WBCs. Okay. 1 cubic millimeter of blood containing 7,000 to 8,000 white blood cells and formed in bone marrow. Their lifespan depending upon the body needs. Okay. They have lifespan of more months or even years. Okay. The white blood cells will be have the lifespan of months or events, but red blood cells lifespan is 120 days only. These white blood cells is even years also. The white blood cells will be alive. Okay. White blood cells are about 1% in healthy people, only 2% of total WBC population circulating in blood at right time. Okay, rest in the skin, lungs, spleen. See, nothing here. That red blood cells, okay, it will be healthy in 1% only. 2% it will be, white blood cells is the protect for us from infections. If white blood cells any damage is getting, the patient will be getting the infections, more prone to get infections. White blood cells is the protective agents in our body. So that's what, if white blood cells are about 1% of in healthy people, okay, and remaining and all it's going to be circulating, we getting the where it will be there. Rest in the skin, lungs, spleen, all over the body, that white blood cells is going to protect for us. Main function of these white blood cells is immune system. See clearly they given. Immune system that are involved in protecting the body against both infectious disease and foreign invaders. Foreign invaders means, I told, anything foreign substance is
Antigens.
anything foreign substance is enters into the body. I told, if bacteria, virus, fungus, that and all we'll call it as a foreign substances. And also if enters into the any other unwanted materials into the body, some other, what we'll tell. And if you're taking any nuts, buds, if it will be enters into the body, cotton pieces, what will be going to do? It is a foreign material to our body. This white blood cells only the first it will come and fight to protect our body. Okay. White blood cells will be having the immune system. So types of white blood cells: granulocytes, agranulocytes. Okay, these types of white blood cells, it is of two types: granulocytes, agranulocytes. So granulocytes, the WBC have granules in their cytoplasm. The granulocytes include neutrophils, eosinophils, and basophils. So the white blood cells, it is of two types. I have is there granulocytes and agranulocytes. The WBC cell, it will contains granules in their cytoplasm. The cell containing the cytoplasm, so that's why that is granulocytes. The cell without granules in the cytoplasm, we'll call it as a agranulocytes. You are clear what is granulocytes and agranulocytes? Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Granulocytes. Granulocytes include what are the cells will be there? These neutrophils, eosinophils, and basophils will be there. Here granulocytes, it will be containing monocytes and lymphocytes. Okay. You have to keep remember that granulocytes, NEB. Okay, NEB means neutrophils, eosinophils, and basophils. That are granulocytes. The granulocytes are ML, monocytes and lymphocytes. Okay. Next one we will see about the platelets. Platelets also we'll call it as thrombocytes. Platelets are not cells. They are fragments of the large cells. Okay, it is not a completely cell, but it is a fragments of the cell. Nucleus are absent, random shape. There is no proper shape. You can see the platelets how it will be there randomly. See, randomly it is there. Color is, see here, no proper in shape. These platelets one will be like this. Okay, in the so nucleus is absent, random shape, 2 to 4 micron in size. Normal platelet count is see 1,50,000 to 4 lakhs. Okay, drop of blood. This platelet counts is present. Platelets have lifespan of only 5 to 9 days. Platelets are formed in bone marrow. Okay, bone marrow only is producing the blood. Okay, that red blood cells, white blood cells, and these platelets also from the bone marrow only we are producing the blood. The functions of platelets: stoppage of bleeding in a quick way when the blood vessels are damaged. Okay, that we'll call it as a hemostasis. Hemostasis means stoppage of blood. If any cut, any wound, any injury is happening, blood is coming outside. More blood loss means the patient will go for shock. Okay, so here the platelets will be major role acting stoppage of blood. That term we will call it as a hemostasis. Okay, and prevent the hemorrhage, that is loss of large amount of blood. Clear? We have seen about the blood cells. Blood cells. Now see. Components of blood. First we have seen blood cells, 45% of the blood cells. Plasma is 55%. Plasma is 55%. So blood is, now we have discussed about the blood cells. Blood cells is RBC, WBC, platelets we have discussed. Now we are going to discuss about the plasma. Okay, plasma will be in what 55%. So see, normally 55% of our blood is made up of plasma. Okay, It is composed of approximately 90% of water. Plasma is the liquid portion of the blood. We see no upper part, if you collecting the test tube in the blood and all, that red blood, not red blood cells and all, it is coming under the down, and this plasma will be coming upper part. That in the liquid part, 90% of it contain water. The plasma is primarily water, we have know, in which protein, salts, nutrients, and waste are dissolved in the plasma only. Plasma can be divided into 6 components. First one, you can see inorganic ions, mineral ions will be there. The plasma proteins also will be there. Organic nutrients in the blood, nitrogenous waste products will be there in the plasma, hormones, gases, this all will be present in the plasma. So what are the functions of this plasma? Plasma helps to maintain blood pressure and regulate the body temperature. It contains minerals, salts, hormones, proteins, and is the main important function of the in the body by plasma. Okay, now you understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
this is about the blood. And you know now, all of you, blood contain 2 components, that is red blood cells and plasma. Red blood cells is 45%, plasma is 55%. Red blood cells and all containing red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, all of you know. White blood cells is divided into granulocytes and agranulocytes. Granulocytes and all I told. Okay, what are the granulocyte cells? You know, eosinophils,
That it contains
neutrophils,
cytoplasm.
and basophils. Okay,
Vessel,
agranulocytes is monocytes and lymphocytes.
one of
And
the
platelets
lympho.
also you seen, and function this plasma also you seen 55% it will be there. Mainly this plasma functions, you know, inorganic ions will be there, plasma proteins, other organic nutrients in the blood, nitrogen based products will be there, hormones, gases will be there. Now we have to know about the blood groups. Okay, all of you know the blood groups, yes or no? You know your blood group?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, all of you know their blood groups.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody is there without knowing blood group?
No, ma'am.
No. See, okay. Types of blood groups, you know, A plus, A positive, O positive, B positive, AB positive, A negative, O negative, B negative, and AB negative groups are there. Yes or no? This only the blood groups types. Okay. A positive, you can give blood to whom you can able to give. A positive persons can give blood to whom you can receive blood from whom. Okay, see, A positive persons can give blood to A positive persons, AB positive persons, and that A positive persons can receive blood from A positive, A negative, O negative persons can give the blood to A positive people. Same like that only. But here, O negative person can give blood to everyone. Okay. AB positive person can receive blood from everyone. Clear? If you
Yes,
see
ma'am.
this,
Yes,
if
ma'am.
you see this clearly, you will get the idea whom to give and whom to receive the blood. Okay. Anyone tell about your blood group?
AB positive.
O positive.
O
O
positive,
positive.
ma'am.
A positive.
Okay.
O
Okay,
positive.
ma'am.
Mostly O positive. You can give blood to O positive person, A positive, B positive, AB positive persons. But you can receive blood from O positive and O negative persons. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is about the blood. Okay. You understood now?
Yes, ma'am. Understood,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, notes sending, ma'am.
Notes togetherly I will prepare for you cardiovascular system and I will send you anatomy and physiology both.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
1 minute, I am taking attendance. Who is that? Mute now. Why? Okay. Okay, I will close now meeting. Tomorrow we will see. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay, bye, ma'am.